Hey guys, this is Phil, one of the product managers at Seachoice. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. You probably found us while searching online for the latest in marine parts and accessories, proper boat maintenance, or how-tos and installation videos. Well, you've come to the right place. Since 1988, Seachoice has been a leading supplier of high-quality, affordable marine accessories and OEM replacement parts. And for the last couple of years, we've been working to become a supplier of valuable, informative content for you, the boat owner and marine enthusiast. That's the purpose of this channel, to let you know about our exciting, new products, how to install them, and how to provide useful maintenance tips so that you and your family can enjoy more time on the water. Please take a few moments to look around our channel, and if you like what you see, subscribe. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Also, if you have any questions about how to assemble or install our products, or how to maintain your boat from bow to stern, let us know by dropping a line in the comments section of any Seachoice video. Your question could become the topic of one of our future videos. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the water.